Bo, welcome to RX Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Toyota Supra MK4. A modern tribute to one of the most iconic Japanese sports cars ever built, the MK4 makes a thrilling return with modern performance, sharp design, and nostalgic character. Exterior shots: sleek front profile, pop-up inspired headlights, wide fenders, large rear wing. Though, from the outside, the 2025 MK4 keeps the aggressive stance of its predecessor but updates it with aerodynamic enhancements and LED lighting. The front bumper is sculpted for improved airflow, while wide rear fenders and a massive rear spoiler nod to the original. Classic Supra lines are preserved, but everything feels sharper and more dynamic. Interior: digital gauge cluster, Alcantara bucket seats, touchscreen infotainment. Though, inside, the Supra MK4 blends old-school spirit with new-age tech. A digital instrument cluster displays performance data, while a floating touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. The Alcantara-wrapped sports seats offer strong bolstering, perfect for spirited drives, while aluminum accents and red stitching add a motorsport vibe. Performance clips: turbo acceleration, drift scenes, track action. Though, under the hood, Toyota offers a reworked 3.0-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine producing over 450 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic, the MK4 sprints from 0 to 60 mph in just under 4 seconds. Enhanced suspension and a limited slip differential ensure tight handling and confident cornering. Though, the 2025 Toyota Supra MK4 is priced starting at around $59,000, a fitting price for a car that blends modern power with legendary roots. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to RX Auto Reviews for more in-depth car reviews.